What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how I create this volumetric light inside After Effects, and no plugin. That means all effect that's required in this tutorial, it is located in Adobe After Effects, any version that we're using. So now let's jump on it and let's see how it is. So this is my workspace and I'm going to import my video clip which I have been already shooted. Okay, so double click here on it. So and I'm going to use this clip. Okay, and I have to move it down here on this composition. You see, guys, this is how my clip it is. So it means this is where my light or my volumetric light will comes from in this window. Okay, so you see, guys, this clip, yes, it is in flat. Okay, there is no fog inside the house, it is just normal clip. So the things I'm going to do, so first let me try to trim it where my subject is starting coming in the light. Okay, so let me trim it in this way. Okay, and at the end when my subject or my character it is already get out in the frame, so they have to trim it in this way, and then you have to right click here on it and then click here on this trim comp to work earlier. So now this is my clip which am I gonna use. Okay, so it is in the 4K, guys, and if you can use in full HD, there is no problem. Any kind of quality you are using, there is no problem. So guys, and then the things I'm going to do, and I'm going to right click here on this clip and then go here on this pre-comp. So I have to rename it as like footage. You can rename any words you want, and then you press OK here, guys, and then I'm going to create the adjustment layer. That means that adjustment layer is where I have to add that volumetric light. Right click here on it and then go here on new, then create adjustment layer. So that means this adjustment layer, we're gonna rename it as volumetric light. Okay, so volumetric light, like this one. All right, so when I have already done rename this adjustment layer, and I'm going on effect to search some effect which am I going to use, guys. If you don't see effect here, you can just come here on this window and then you enable effect and preset. Okay, so for the first effect that I'm going to search, it is called the tint. So I have to search tint and then I have to drag and then drop it here on this adjustment layer. You see, guys, my clip, it is already becomes black and white, and then so I'm going to search the second one which is called curve. So for this curve, I have to drag and drop it here too on this adjustment layer, guys. You see, nothing happens, but I have to come here on these curve settings. So the things I'm going to do, I'm going to try to change this wall into black. Okay, and I have to remain at the white color where my light will comes from. Okay, so and I have to move this line here down in this side. Okay, something looks like this, guys. You see, now all the walls becomes black. Now I have only window where my light will comes from, and I have to add like enough light. You see, guys, you see, yes, now here, guys, I have enough light. Okay, so this is the method. Okay, the window method, there is no pop. And then when you have already changed the wall black, and then remains where the light will comes from in the window. Okay, and then I'm going to search another effect which is called CC Radial First Blur. Okay, CC Radial First Blur, it is this one, and then drop it here too on this volumetric light layer. So and then now, guys, you see the layers of the light. Okay, so then I have to come here on these Radial First Blur settings, and I have to increase this amount of this light. For example, let me just add 98. All right, something like this. And then when you're done, so come here on this layer of this light, and then you have to change this mode from normal into screen. Guys, when you don't see this mode, you just click here on this toggle switch mode is okay. You see, for example, your After Effects, you can see your After Effects seems looks like this, so you have to click here on this toggle switch and then you will save this mode, and then I have to change from normal into screen, guys. Okay, now you see how it looks like, but my light, it has no direction. That's why I have to come this on this center and I have to click on this icon. So when I press where on this side, you see guys, the direction goes in the direction where I want. For example, when my character entering on this frame, you see guys, even the shadow of my character, yes, you can see it well. Okay, here on these hands, you see guys, this is much better. You can just move it down this light or can just put it up, but I have to put it in this side, okay, in this angle. Now it seems like real, guys. Okay, you see how it looks like. Okay, so when you have already give them the direction, so and they have to come back here on this effect and they have to search again the curve. So I drop it here on this, yes, light layer, sorry. So and then I have to come here on this, yes, curves channel. Okay, I just want to add like color, yes, to color grade my light. Okay, so I have to choose lead here on this channel. Let me just try to move it up. You see what is happening, and then also let me choose this green and then I have to move it up here, guys. I just want to give them like cinematic look. Even let me choose this blue. I have to move down this blue just a little bit, something like this. But guys, you see my footage looks flat also, guys. That's why I have to move this curve here too on this real footage, and then I can just move down like a shadow, something like this, looks like this, guys. Okay, this is, yes, really nice. And then the things I have to add, the last one, I have to add like cinematic balls. So I have to create the solid layer. Okay, right click here on this place, okay, and then just go on new and then click solid layer. Okay, I can call it like cinematic bars, and then make sure the cinematic bars, it has the black color, and then you press okay, and I have to move it up here on the top of this volumetric light. Okay, above I have to put it above all layers that have been created before. And then let me go here on effect, and I am going to search the effect which is called the CC gels, and then I have to drop it here on this cinematic bars layer, and then come here on this completion. I have to add like 75 or 70, yes, this one 75, yeah, 75, it is enough. All right, you see how it looks like, and they have to move down this height and width to 0 in this way. So now you see how my clip it is. So this is a real fog, this is real volumetric light inside Adobe After Effects. So, and also guys, you can just add like noise. Okay, so let me add noise on this footage, guys. Let me just add the amount. For example, let me try to zoom. Let me add the amount of 5. Yes, this one. You see guys, I receive something looks like, now you see guys how it looks like. Okay, even you can add any amount of the noise you want, but for me, let me try to use, okay, 6. This is enough. This is how I create this effect inside Adobe After Effects. That's all, guys. If you like my video, please don't forget to make subscribe. I know is very helpful to you. Like, drop your comment down below, leave your thumbs up, let me know what do you think. So stay in touch, and I will see you next video. Peace.